Hey crafty friends, I'm gonna switch around here. This is Jenny from Craft Test Dummies. It's been a really crazy busy day. Still working on home improvement and renovation, but I have an hour before dinner is ready and I decided to pour myself a little beverage and share some time with you because that always makes me feel better. So I want to go over some of the new Tonic dies that I sent. So first of all, it's amazing, this box that I got, and I can't wait to share it with you. Of course, I got to get my cat out of it. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna dive in. Okay, so first of all, I have been using probably 2 or 3 of the Tonic Studios dies that I got last year. I find that they really cut nicely and I have been enjoying them. So I have found that I can cut these in the Little Baby Blossom, the Altenew. I can cut it in the Sizzix. I can cut it into the Big Kick. So I really have had just, no issues with being able to cut vellum, cardstock, anything I want to cut. So as far as do they work really nicely. I don't enjoy cutting my hands on clamshell plastic. However, I will point out for those of you who are interested, there is a little flap. So if you want to open up the clamshell, there is a flap. Of course, there's a security button. So you still kind of have to cut it. If you're looking for good scissors, your Tonic scissors will cut this clamshell plastic very nicely. Or the Fiskars Amplify shears. Really, really good for that. So let's start a flipping. Are you ready? It's going to be kind of like a speed round. So we've got a Heartfelt Sympathy. Can't wait to use that one because I always need a good sympathy. Here's an Enjoy Today. Here's the actual size. By the way, I already have this one, so stay tuned because there will be a giveaway. What does it say on the button? It says, go forth and craft on that little button, the little security button. We have got a hello, and the hello has both the positive and the negative that you can use, which is nice. There's the actual size. We've got a thinking of you with a little fleur. That's very pretty. We have got a congrats. I'm going to show you here too. It's kind of curved. That'd be nice to go around a little circle. Here's a full-on congratulations, like so. It's great. It actually shows up the right way. That's kind of nice. Okay, so here's one that I'm not sure I'll use. Uncle. So that'll go in the giveaway box. We've got a birthday wishes with some stars. I love that because I have been making a lot of star cards lately. We've got a thank you, and this is a little bit smaller. So this would fit really nicely inside a little label. We have a Dear Santa, super cute. That's going to go in the giveaway. We have a Happy Holidays. Yeah, Mary Kay says somebody's practicing upstairs. Actually, it's my son, and he's practicing in 2 rooms over. So we got a Happy Holidays. We've got a Joy to the World. We have a Let It Snow. Somebody take this away. I do not want any Let It Snows, please. No snows. Done with the snows. We've got a sweet little Merry Christmas. I love word dies on cards too. We have a little For You. We have a Happy Anniversary. Yay! I do not have nearly enough Happy Anniversary things. And my parents' 50th is coming up. This is a fun little trio that would be great for youthful cards. It says awesome, cool, and sweet. Of course, you get the positive and the negative there of the ampersand, which you could use for a bunch of things too. We have a Just to Say, just to say thanks. So what you could do is put this on the outside and then do your thanks or happy anniversary or congratulations on the inside, which is kind of a nice switch. I feel like I'm dropping stuff. Okay. We have a Best Friends. We also have a Daughter stamp or die. We have a Cousin die. I'm going to have a whole new category just for relative dies. Auntie. I myself and an auntie. I like that one. Ooh, we've got a Cherish. And this one contains the outer frame die and the inner frame die. So this comes in with a built-in, well, it's not a built-in, but it comes with a mat, which is kind of nice. Is it built-in? Yeah, it says it's built-in. Contains an outer frame die for easy paper piecing. That's kind of nice. And this is a little smaller than what it looks like actually inside. So the Cherish is a 2-layer die. Yay. Of course, we also have a mother. As Mother's Day is coming up, you guys, don't forget, Mother's Day is in May. Start making your cards. Bailey, my daughter's over here today. She's like, stop. Oh, here's a good one. We've got Grand. So now you can put this in front of mother, father, auntie, uncle, etc., etc. So you've got Grand. Or Isn't That Grand? Looks like we have a couple of more Merry Christmases in our package. We also have a Scent with Love, and I just want to show you the actual size of that Scent with Love. It's a nice full die, but it's super lacy, super fine. Also, I love that little heart in the middle. If I were me, because I'm crazy, I might double cut this and just pop another color inside that and do like a positive negative inlaid die cut, or this would also be really cute if you just filled it with like enamel dots, like the Nuvo, whatever this stuff is called, like the crystal drops. Do something like that on the inside. Might have to play with that one. Okay, more fun with glitter. Nathaniel, I like the way you think. Thank you. We also have a Happy Halloween. This is another one of those 2-layer dies, so you get the matte and the actual sentiment. And the cat is back and turning off my lamps now on my desk. We have a couple more of these 2 layers. So we've got a Dream that has the matte, and we've got the Blessed that has a matte. I bet somebody out there would really love to win this. Okay, so we also, in our love category, have a With Love. So that looks, I think, oh, no, that's actual size. I wasn't sure. That's an actual size one. We've got a Boo to go with our Happy Halloween. We have got Trick or Treat to go with our Happy Halloween. So again, I like this that they have these different sizes. So, oh my God, here's another Merry Christmas, a little more mod. Just to say, Trick or Treat. Just to say, Merry Christmas. Just to say, where's the Boo? I lost my Boo. Here it is. Boo! So, I like the fact that you can have some of these like Trick or Treat or Boo on the outside, and then on the inside, that's when you actually say Happy Halloween or something like that. So I also got a brother one, which I will have to give up since I don't have a brother. Boo with Love. Oh, we can start getting silly with our combinations now, right? Here's a Spooky. It's spooky with a little bat sitting on it. It's cute. Okay, I've got to organize these, don't I, Bailey? I got to put my little Halloweens over here on one side. Okay, and all of the so much Christmas stuff. We have a Love that's 2 layers. Again, I think it's really nice when they give you one that is the outer frame die for easier paper piecing. If you want to have a nice mat, that's really great. Also a Peace, which I really love right now. And a Hope. So if you're wondering, that was Peace, Hope, Love, Dream, and Cherish. Also with the families, we have Niece, we have Son, we have Uncle. Didn't I already do an Uncle? Was there, I did say Uncle, right? And then we've got a Good Luck, which would be super cute if you did one of those little, I know, right? I did. So that'll go in the giveaway box. We've got like 4 or 5 already in the giveaway pile. 2 uncles. Just say Uncle. Just say Uncle! Ah, okay. So, if you've ever seen my YouTube video on how to make quilled shamrocks for, it could be either for St. Patrick's Day or a 4-leaf clover. It's where you basically make a heart with quilled paper. which is like 2 teardrops glued together. But you do 4 of those, and then you make a little curly stem. You make a great little 4-leaf clover. So this would be really fun, maybe in like a gold metallic paper for good luck. Wouldn't that be fun? That'd be great for auditions, people who are applying for colleges right now. And then we've got a celebrate good times. Come on, celebrate. So that is, oh, and there's one more. Oh my gosh. Now I have this box. I'm going to put it on the floor and hopefully catch a cat over there. One more Halloween die. Best Witches. It's so cute. Okay. So that was the overview of all of the dies that Tonic sent me to play with. It's going to take me a minute to organize them into categories and figure out how I'm going to use some of them, and of course we will be having a giveaway. So this is the part where I share with you some of the creations I made. I sat down for about an hour and a half and I knocked some of these out, and I really enjoy working with dies. So if you'd like to enter the drawing, your special phrase is "I'm dying for these." So click the link below and go on over to enter to win. Thanks so much for watching, and have a crafty day.